Hi, this is James here with El Paso English Cafe. In other videos, I go into my vowel chart and I give you the pronunciation for each one. In some videos I go into the spellings for each of these sounds. What I'd like to do right now is give you the relationship my chart has to the IPA. In other videos I talk about what I think are the advantages of using something like this rather than the IPA. But if you're familiar with the International Phonetic Alphabet, it conveys the same information in a different way, and I'd like to show you the correspondences. Here they are. This vowel sound is E. Okay, very similar to Spanish E, except a little bit longer in duration in English. So this is E. The IPA would write it like that. Now you'll find it like that in some dictionaries. However, the formal IPA symbol for this English E includes two dots, and that is to indicate that the sound extends for some time. It's not the same duration as, say, the Spanish E. Okay, it's E. It goes on a little longer. All right, going to I. How does the IPA write I? IPA writes I with an uppercase I, just like that. Okay? A. The IPA writes this with the letter E and the symbol for the sound I. This is A. How does the IPA write E? The IPA uses some kind of a script E, like that. Looks like maybe a backwards 3. Okay, this one is difficult for me to draw, which is one of the reasons I prefer this chart to the IPA. But sound number 5, A, is written in the IPA. It looks like a collision between the letter A and the letter E. It's like something like that. Yeah. Anyway, you'll find it in a dictionary or in the IPA dictionary somewhere. But this is A. This is A, E. Same as IPA, just different symbols, which I prefer. Okay. A. This one is the most difficult. It's some version of the letter A. It may be inverted in the IPA or the system you're using, but I'm just going to write a version of the letter A. Okay, something like that, but maybe some variation of this. Aw. Aw is a C, an inverted C. Or a backward C. How do we do this? Yeah, there it is. That's aw. O, O uses two symbols in the IPA. O and inverted omega. Number 9, is inverted omega. U is some version of the letter U. And a lot of dictionaries will use just the letter the letter U. However, the formal IPA is going to have those two dots, which indicate some longer duration. It's not quite the same as a Spanish U. U in Spanish is short, just like E in Spanish is short. E, U. In English, we extend them somewhat. E, U. So you will see the two dots. Okay, Let's see, this one is also hard to draw for me. It is some kind of inverted E with a little thing hanging off of it, as if you've got a schwa symbol with an R connected. This is There are two versions of IPA. The accented is going to be some version of lambda, Greek letter lambda. The unaccented is going to be this, like this inverted E. I don't like that one. Okay? So I only use one number for these two. It's a distinction without a difference. This one has emphasis in a word, this one does not. Okay. Just to continue, if you come with the word bike, it's a diphthong, it's two sounds, it's I. So it is some version of number 6 plus I in the IPA. That's I. U is going to be usually E, U. Okay? 2 dots maybe. U. Ow, ah. Oh wait, no. Excuse me. That's probably this. Anyway, so this is how the IPA represents all of these sounds. I'm not giving you anything that is not well established in linguistics. I've just set it up in a different way with a notation that I feel is easier to use. Great. I hope you love El Paso English Cafe.